Archerfield traffic, Cessna 172, Kilo Juliet Romeo, entering and rolling 28 right. We will remain in the circuit, Archerfield.
Finals cleared. Runway is cleared.
And traffic Archie, Charlie Kilo November, and coming up to we're departed 28 right west of departure. 1000.
Do I have to acknowledge him or?
No. No, but just make sure you have a quick look. See, there's the 3 helicopters there.
Yep. Alright, 28 right. Lined up. Feet are on the ground, heels are on the floor. Full power.
Down low. Coming out the other side here, and then I'll pull up the side, Scotty.
SB is alive. T's and P's are in the green. 50 knots. 55.
He's just practical, mate. He knows you're talking sense, and fucking why not? He's onto those guys at Marucci like about not working, because Jared was saying that's what him and John Barker are sort of having a few issues about, is that, you know, he's wanting their guys to help with the 214s and that.
Hey,
still positive, right?
Still Archerfield frequency. Far out. Have a good old chat. Alright, still on lookout.
Alright, we're clear.
The wing, lift the wing.
Oh yeah, sorry, I did that at 400 feet.
Alright, sorry, I didn't see it.
Spacing is good. Got my heading hot, pretty good. Brakes, undercarriage is fixed. Mixture's full reach. I'm back a little bit earlier. Fuel is sufficient out of those. Instruments are in the green. 2100 RPM. And harnesses are good.
All stations Archerfield, the control tower is open, it's information now, continue runways 28 right, 28 left, winds variable at 5, QH 1022. Any station on the ground, checking the ground frequency 119.9, any station in the air, let me know your position, call sign for clearance room.
Archtower, good morning, Cessna 172, Kilo Juliet Romeo. We are late, left Downwind, runway 28 right for touch and go.
Kilo Juliet Romeo, on Japan, g'day, runway 28 right, clear, touch and go, right circuits, listen out now, 1236.
28 right, clear, touch and go, right circuits, 123.6, Kilo Juliet Romeo. Done. How's everything going?
Yeah, well, I think I got a bit distracted with the radio change and things, so we're a bit high.
It's pretty good.
It's okay.
No, you're not high. That's a bit fast.
We're at 70 now.
Alright, so watch your altitude.